shiver, shiver, oh no. At the thought of someone new with their hands all over you. Need a way to numb the pain. I'm down and
floor to ceiling. Alexa, close the blinds.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. How would I say the mainland curtains?
Probably.
Alexa, close the curtains.
Okay.
Magic. This is so cool. Wow, and it actually is like really blackout in here.
Yeah.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Woo!
Ooh. It is dark.
Alexa,
Sounds like night vision. Look at this.
turn on the lights. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's so cool! This is awesome. Okay, award-winning beds. This place is huge.
It's, yeah.
This is a
huge.
standard room and it's humongous. I'm gonna go lay on the bed.
Go for it.
Oh my god. These pillows and this bed. Wow. I want to try this pillow. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What is this?
What even is that?
This is bigger than me.
What
It's
the
almost
hell is even
as
that?
long as my legs.
It's absurd. No one needs a
And
pillow that
almost
large.
like as tall, almost as tall. Well, basically my torso.
Mhm.
Like, what is this? This is huge. Okay, let me see.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
it's pretty nice though.
Yeah.
Wait, this I could snuggle.
I kind of
up
want
to
one
this.
now.
I know. I think I should buy
Jeez.
some. Snuggle up.
Yeah, this thing is huge. I think it's stand next to it.
Oh god, and I don't even have my boots that give me a little height.
Bathroom.
Okay, back. First, we go down this beautiful
What's in here?
hallway.
Just a closet.
Double door closet. Done. With everything
Nice.
that would
There's a
be.
ton of room in there.
Yeah, there's even some extra drawers. Awesome.
What about the last drawer?
And then another humongous mirror. It's awesome. Oh my god, you can see all the frizz in my hair. Wow, look at this.
Holy cow.
Yes, robes! Oh, they're fuzzy on the inside. My goodness. Wow. Oh, there's a scale. Won't be using that.
Nope. Mm-mm.
Don't want to know. I love these touchpad light switches. See?
Oh yeah. Ooh.
And they even make little haptic sounds. Okay, one of the great things about this tub is that the faucet's not on the physical tub. Not in the standard place where you can like have it jabbed into your back or something.
I like sitting directly in the middle of the tub, so that's gonna be a problem.
In the middle and this way.
Yeah.
There's a TV. Show me.
Oh, there sure is.
There's a TV. This like magnifying mirror that lights up also. However you do that. There we go.
Mm.
And then you've got shoe polish, shower cap, shoe buffing, necessities, lotion.
A trash can. Hold on. Look at that.
Wow,
Oh.
that's a fancy trash can right
wow.
there.
I can't wait to fill that
I've
with
never
junk.
seen never seen a trash can.
10 out of 10 trash can.
Love this seat. Let's see how cushiony it
A
is.
chair.
A chair. But this is actually a big deal. They usually don't have chairs here. Ooh.
How much does it weigh?
More than I can bench. Nice standing shower. It's got a seat in it. Oh, and they've got the wand also.
Oh yeah. Oh.
It's cool. Oh, there's a nightlight. Wait, hold on. Turn these off.
Oh.
And then, oh look, that puts a glow underneath.
Ooh.
That's awesome. I'm gonna need that.
Yeah.
You
Chicken.
know I am. I don't like the dark.
I know.
That's cute. So let's do like a whole view from this side.
Now, does the TV pivot,
It does.
or do I just look at the back?
No, ma'am. It does pivot.
Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, gosh. Now, does it pivot back, or is it just you turn it once and that's it?
You turn it once and that's it.
Okay.
That's the downside.
Well, I wish you would have told me that
Unless you
before
upgrade to a bigger suite.
Oh. Is that another trash can? Yeah. Trash cans.
For days.
That's it.
It's amazing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I didn't want a boyfriend. I was doing just fine. Finally done with a guy who was feeding me lies. I made up my mind. I wasn't gonna get a boyfriend. I was gonna take my time. Maybe flirt with a few, get a number or two, live a single life. Baby, there you go, hitting me with a hello, like oh my, oh my, oh my. Something about the way you were talking made me say he's a good guy, good guy, good guy. I didn't really know much about a good guy. I had a long past with a wolf in disguise, but boy, I swear you changed my life. Superhuman, you're a miracle, an illusion, supernatural. You clear my bruises, came and saved me from the ruins. I can handle anything by your side, 'cause all I need is you and your good intentions. Tell me, did it hurt when you fell from heaven? There ain't no way you better this earth. You must be sent from a higher place. The way you walk with grace, no way, no way. It's almost too good to be true. But when you love me like you do, without a doubt I know it's fake, it's fake. I saw you in my dreams, yeah, I saw you on TV, like oh my, oh my, oh my. But this ain't no fantasy, boy, you're making me believe in the good guy, good guy, good guy. I was looking for the best in the worst damn places, trying to find the good in the lying cages. But boy, I swear you changed my life. Superhuman, you're a miracle, an illusion, supernatural. You clear my bruises, came and saved me from the ruins. I can handle anything by your side, 'cause all I need is you and your good intentions. Tell me, did it hurt when you fell from heaven? H-E-A-V-E-N, you must be from heaven. Say it with me, H-E-A-V-E-N. Every day is heaven. Say it with me, H-E-A-V-E-N.
Okay, so right now we are gonna go see one of the incredible Cirque du Soleil shows they have here in Las Vegas. We've seen two already. We've seen Ka and we've seen Mystère. But this time we're gonna go see Love by Cirque du Soleil at the Mirage. It's the Beatles inspired Cirque du Soleil. So I'm super excited to go to it. We're both super excited. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're really ready for it. We've been watching 3-2-1 McCartney on Hulu, which if you haven't seen that, you should definitely see that. It gives you so much insight into how the Beatles made their music, their inspirations they drew from, which is super inspiring. Anyways, so we are ready to watch a Cirque du Soleil performance inspired by the Beatles. So we're super excited, and I will give you an update. Alrighty, once again, we are on our way home from Vegas. It was such an amazing time, but I really wanted to talk about the Cirque du Soleil that we went to see last night. So far, of the Cirque du Soleil shows that they have in Las Vegas, we have seen Mystère, which is at Treasure Island, Ka at MGM Grand, and is that it? Just those two? Yeah, I think so. Of the three, I have to say, this one I think is my favorite. It was amazing. It was so beautiful. There were so many colors, beautiful, amazing acrobatics. I mean, they all have that. Obviously, they all have like their pyrotechnics and their amazing performances. But Love is my favorite. So yeah, I 100% recommend going to see Love by Cirque du Soleil. I think they just did such a great job honoring the Beatles. They had a lot of projections where it was like the silhouettes of the Beatles and their actual recordings of like banter basically between them. It was just so cool. The stage was like constantly moving. There were so many parts that all of a sudden it would just like drop down. They'd bring up things, they'd bring things back down. It was like all LED screens, so they would play a lot of really cool things on the stage that really added to the show. So anyways, the other cool thing about it is that there's really no bad seat in the house. It's not a very like big theater. It's not like huge, and the stage is directly in the middle with the seats surrounding it. So there's no bad seat in the house. You could sit in the nosebleeds, you could sit front row, it doesn't matter. You're gonna see everything and it's gonna be amazing. You're gonna feel totally immersed in the experience. There is on the lower parts, basically like there's nosebleeds that are up higher, then there's like seats that kind of go down towards the stages on all sides. They have a part in the show where they bring out this big blanket kind of prop thing, whatever. It's part of their show, but it actually extends all the way over that part of the audience. So if you feel claustrophobic or like you don't really want to have actual like blanket on top of you, then I would recommend sitting higher up, like maybe even in the back row and the nosebleeds. That's all, I guess. Just a little note there for anybody who might be claustrophobic or freak out with those things. Sit up higher. But again, you could do that and you will be able to enjoy the entire show. It's awesome. So definitely go see Love. It is worth it. It's amazing, and I just wanted to give you that review.
You gon' be the greatest, honey. Show 'em what you're made of, honey.